Okay. So we'll continue the interest side. We'll solve few problems. After that, we'll go to next topic, that is average. So a simple problem, an amount or a sum amount um, doubles itself in 15 years. Find rate of interest. Simple question. A sum gets doubled in 15 years. What is the rate of interest? Means some amount of money. It is getting doubled in 15 years. So what will be the rate of interest? It can get doubled in 10 years also. Anything. So this kind of questions generally used to ask. This is a single line question, but having all the information in it. You have to find the how to find. Assume. Little hint. Assume principal is equal to P. Principal amount is equal to P. What is the amount then? Amount how much?
It's double.
Means 2P. Interest how much? Interest how much? 2P minus P.
Minus P.
That is rupees P. Now time is equal to how much? 15 years. And interest, rate of interest you have to find. So you have all the information. You know the formula. I is equal to P into R into T by 100.
100.
Now you know I is equal to P, this interest. If the amount is getting doubled, then obviously that amount minus 2P minus P is equal to your P. Now this is also P. R you have to find out. 15 already T is there. Only 100. Put 100 here. So how much it will come? P R
6 point something.
6 point something. Yes. 100 P or R equal to 100 by 15. So it will give you 2, 5, 5, 3, 5, 2. So 20 by 3%, or if you break it up, then it will be 6 and 3, 2 by 3%, or if you write in percentage, it will become 6 point, how much? 6666 like this, 6.66%. Okay, means 320, if you divide it, 3 6 18, so 2 will come. It is not divisible by 3. A point will come here after 6, and 1 0 you can bring. So 3 is 18. Again 2. Again due to this point, again 1 0 you can bring. So 6. So it will continue. So 6.66%. Okay. Or from this one also you can write 6 and 3 by 2 by 3. So 6 is common. Then point means 6. After that you can convert it. Same way. So 2 is not divisible by 3, then a point will come, then 0. 3 6 is 18, 2 point is there, so another 0 6 18, so 0.66. So any procedure you can use. Okay. Is this problem clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can write anything depending on the options. What options? In the options, if they give you this, your answer will be this. In the option, if they give you this, your answer will be this. If in the option they give you the 6 in decimal, then the answer will be this. So I think it's correct. Okay, this kind of problem you can assume, you can solve the problem by assuming the principal is equal to 1 rupees also, or 100 rupees also, anything, any amount. If the principal is 1 rupees, okay, then amount is 2 rupees. Clear? So interest will be 1 rupees. So interest is equal to 1 equal to principal means 1 rupees into r into 15 by 100. So r equal to 100 by 15. So like this also you can solve. Is it clear? Instead of assuming p, you can solve it by assuming 1, 2, 3, 400, any number also. Is it clear? It will give you the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so since simple interest, I think there is no problem. Now we'll jump to compound interest that I told you. That in simple interest, the amount is, the principal is fixed. On the same principal, you will get interest every year. But in compound interest, after the ending of the year, the principal means the amount that will be that will be in your account after the end of the year. Your interest will be calculated on that amount. So it will be getting changed every year. Okay, after the first year, it will be getting changed. Means if 100 rupees you have deposited, after a year it is 105 rupees. So you will get, from the second year, you will get interest on 105 years. Then in the next year, 105 rupees will become suppose 111 rupees or 112 rupees. Then again on 112 rupees, from the next year you will get the interest. So like this, it is called compound interest. Okay, it is getting increased by increase. So means the amount, the principal amount is not fixed, but in simple interest, principal amount is fixed. Okay, so compound interest, the formula very simple problem they used to ask. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by r means rate of interest by 100 to the power n. Okay, n is year, r is rate of interest, a equal to amount. That I think we have solved a problem also. E equal to principal. And for the first year, simple interest is equal to compound interest. They will be same for the first year, because after the first year the calculation gets changed. For the first year they will be same. Simple interest and compound interest will be same for the first year. Then r equal to rate of interest. And t equal to year. Is this one t n or t whatever it is, this year. Equal to year. Okay. And compound interest equal to this amount. Compound interest equal to same amount minus principal, like the previous one. Amount minus principal will give you the compound interest. Okay. Okay, now let's solve the simple problem. Find compound interest on rupees 5,000 for 2 years at 10%. I don't know. Yearly 10%, it will get compounded annually. Okay. So find the compound interest of rupees 5,000 for 2 years at 10% per annum. This is the question. Simple question. Find the compound interest. What is the compound interest? From this you can find the amount also. So what are the information given to us? What is the information given to us?
Principal is 5,000.
Principal is 5,000. Then
Rate
rate
of
of
interest
interest
is
is
10%.
10%. T equal to
2 years.
2
2
years.
years. Now what is the formula here? What is the amount? What is the formula? You have a
P
formula
is
of
equal
amount.
to P
You
into
have,
1 plus R by T.
so you have to
R
find out
by
the
100
amount.
into T.
Amount you can find how much? P into
P into
1
1
plus
plus R by 100 to the power of T.
T. Okay, P means 5,000. 1 plus R means 10 by 100 square. Okay, so 5,000 into, it will be 1 plus 1 by 10 square. So
6050.
this will give you 11 by 10 na? So 11 by 10 square means 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Can I write it in this way?
120.
Okay. है ना? We can write
Yes.
it in this also. So how much is coming? Just find out.
6050.
Okay,
6050.
rupees 6050. See, what is 6050? Your principal was 5,000, and this is amount, right?
Amount
What
minus
is,
principal is
so they have asked you to find out the interest. So interest CI equal to, formula is same for CI and SI for interest. Amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. So 6050 minus 5,000. It will give you 1050. Okay. Any doubt?
no, sir.
Just to remember all the formulas for simple and even for simple interest also, for compound interest also. Just remember the formulas and everything will be done. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No way.
Now this has come in 2020. Okay. A sum. This problem. It was asked in 2020, a sum of money or a sum earning CI. CI means compound interest. Annually doubles itself after 4 years. Find rate of interest. So these are the maximum hard level they will ask you. Beyond this, they will not ask you any question which are too hard. These are the maximum hurdle they will ask you. Achha, the options are 14%. Is equivalent to 14%. It may not be 14, 19%, then 18%, or 15%. It will be close to 14, 19, 18, 15. That's why they have used this sign. They generally sometimes they are using this sign in your options. Now try to solve the problem. Very easy. Formulas again I'll write the formulas. Formula is A equal to, what is the formula? P into 1 plus R by 100 by T. This is the formula. Okay. And CI equal to A minus P. So these are formula. Now try to solve. See, a sum earning compound interest gets doubled. So you can assume P also, assume 1 also. Anything you can assume. Means the principal amount. You can assume as 1 also, you can assume as P, X, Y, Z, anything. A sum earning compound interest annually doubles itself after 4 years. So the sum you have to assume, time they have given, okay, and indirectly they have given you the interest also. Means principal, interest, and what to say, amount. Everything they have given in the first line. A sum earning CI annually doubles. A sum is getting doubled. Okay, the summary. A sum is getting doubled. So from this line, from this sentence, you can easily find out the principal, amount, and interest. Now they have given you the time. You have to find out the only R. Is it clear?
So compound interest is doubled or sum is doubled?
Sum means principal. That principal is getting doubled. That principal amount is principal money. That principal whatever was deposited initially, that was getting doubled.
Okay, sir.
If you are depositing 100 rupees in the bank initially, that is getting doubled, means it is becoming 200. Is it clear?
Yes, yes. We,
Yes, sir.
Now see, assume principal money is equal to you can assume 1 also, or you can assume P also, no problem. Okay, rupees 1 or rupees P, anything. Amount how much?
double.
Double.
Double means rupees 2, or you can write 2P also. Okay, this will give you same answer. This kind of problem, you can assume 100 also, 200 also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 1 to any number you can assume. Okay, then interest how much?
Interest we have to find out.
2 minus 1. Na, 1 rupees na.
Okay, okay.
Or
Yes.
here P rupees, anything. I have assumed that the principal is 1 rupee. Amount is rupees 2, because they have told you it is getting doubled. Okay, you can assume P also, so it will become 2P. The interest will be 2P minus P. The formula for interest is same for simple interest and compound interest. The principal, the amount, if you subtract the principal from the amount, it will give you the interest. So it is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay. Now, what a time? Time equal to 4 years. So they have asked you to find out this. Up to this much, is it clear? If it is clear, then I will
Yes,
come.
yes, Bhaiya, yes. It's clear.
Okay. Then the formula I have written above. What is this? T. Then amount is 1 or P. You can write P also, no problem. P means this is already 1. Okay, we have assumed P as 1. Now 1 plus R by 100 square, right?
No, it's
4
4,
years.
Bhaiya.
It is
And
4.
amount is
Okay,
2p, right? It has doubled. Amount is 2.
Ah,
Yeah, the amount will
yes,
be
yes, yes,
2
yes.
p.
Sorry. Yes, yes, it is clear. Thank you. 2 or 2P, anything you can write. So it will give you how much?
1 plus R by 100. 4 comes there our other side. 1 by 4. It will come to it raised to 1 by 4. To power 1 by 4.
Ah, it will give you 1 plus R to the R by 100 to the power 4. Okay, so it will become actually if you convert it, that formula, it will give you, for converting the power, it will become 2 into 1 by 4. From that formula, it is giving you 1 plus R by 100. This kind of question they will not ask generally. Okay, but it was asked somehow in 2020. So to the power 1 by 4, how much it will give you?
It's 1 by 2.
Hmm? One minute. To the power 1 by 4? Yes. To the power 1 by 4, how much it will give you?
Half.
I think there is a formula for log in this case. This I will tell you. I'm using calculator right now. I will tell you the later on. I forgot this one. I will tell you later on. This will give you actually 1.19, almost 1.189. Okay, this one I will tell you later on.
Yes, so it's 1.18.
By R by 100. There is a formula for log we are using for this one. So this will give you R by 100 equal to 1.189 minus 1.
Minus 1.
R by 100 equal to, it will give you 0.189. R
Into
equal to 18.9. So 18.9. This will be the answer. It means closest value is 19%, right? So 19 will be their answer. So it will give you 19%, almost 19%. So this is the formula you have to use to solve this one, this kind of problems. Okay. Okay, then next we'll move to average. So these are the problems related to interest. Now we'll move to average or mean. So suppose average is basically it's a central value. Suppose there are 5 subjects, or out of 400 or out of 500, let's say you have scored 490 or 450, suppose. So if they ask you what is the average score you have got, how to calculate? You have to find out a value which is almost equal for all the subjects, or it is a central value, you can say. Means out of 500 in 5 subjects, suppose 5 subjects are there. This will become percentage. 5 subjects are there. So in 5 subjects, you have scored suppose 450. So average, what is the average in average score? You have average number you have scored. The average number is total number divided by sum of all the subjects. Means suppose in 5 subjects you have scored 450 divided by the sum of all the subjects, subject 1 plus subject 2 plus subject 3 plus subject 4 plus subject 5. Means you have 5 subjects and you have scored 450. So average is 90. Okay. So 90 is the average. Okay. So sum of means average of n observation or n things, anything, n number of subjects, it can be observation, can be n number of subjects, n number of student, n number of game, anything, is equal to sum of all divided by total. This will be total divided by sum of individual. Okay, means suppose 5 subjects, total is 450, and total sum of individuals means 5 subjects, 1 plus 1 plus 1, like this 5 subjects are there, so it will be 90, and it will be average. Okay, so this is what the concept of average is. So suppose questions, small questions, a student is there, he is scoring 70, then 80, then 75, 90, then 95 in 5 subjects. Find the average. Find the average. How to calculate?
Yeah.
82.
Okay. So it will be 70 plus 80 plus 75 plus 90 plus 95 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So it will give you how much? 82.
The sum of those observations is 410.
410 divided by 5.
5, which is 82.
So it will be 82. Okay. So these are the basic of average. So directly we are going to solve a question. It was also asked in NET, and average is also called mean or central value. Okay. Suppose you have the average. Suppose they asked you that in 5 subjects, you have 5 subjects and you have scored 90 in average or mean. So what is the total number, total marks? In this case, if you know the number of observation or number of item and the average, just multiply, then you will get the total number 450. Or in this case, in this above case, 5 subjects are there, okay, and the average is 82. If you multiply them, it will become 410. So if you know the average and the number of observation, it will give you, if you multiply them, it will give you the total number. Okay, means if they ask you that the average age of you, your father and your mother is 30, average age, what is the total age?
150.
Your father and
90.
90. Okay, so these are few concepts. Okay, let's solve a problem. It was asked in the exam. The mean means average marks obtained by a class of 40 students is 65. The mean of half of the students are found to be 45. The mean marks of remaining students. How much? Okay, question. Is the question clear? There are 40 students in a class. That marks they have got some marks. Okay, so the mean marks of the entire class is, or 40 students is, how much? 65. Okay, 65, and the mean of half of the class means 20 students is found to be 45. Then what is the mean of the remaining students? Mean marks of the remaining students.
So both means should be minus.
Yes.
It's 20.
20.
Is it? It's 85.
85. Okay. Chalo, let's solve. Okay. See, the total students are 40. So mean marks how much? Or average? 65. Then total marks? Total marks how
2600.
much? 40 into
2000.
65. How much?
2600.
1600 भैया.
2600 total marks. So the total marks is 2600 for the entire class. Now
Yeah.
they have told the mean of the half of the students is 45. So what is the half? Half means 20.
20.
So what is the total marks of 20 students? 90?
900.
900.
Yeah.
So it is directly, you can, if you solve it in one line, it will be 40 into 65 minus 20 into 45. Okay, means 2600 minus 900 will give you 1700. Okay, is this up to this much is clear?
Yes, yes, भैया.
Okay, now this 1700 marks is left na, balance na. This is obtained by how much? Rest 20 student. Is it clear?
Yes, भैया.
Okay, so what is the average? 1700 by 20. So
20.
85 it will give you. Okay, any doubt?
85.
85. So 85 will be the answer. One more question they have asked in 2022. Just a minute. Okay. This one. 22. A man bought 13 chairs and 5 tables at total cost of rupees 8280. So a man has bought 13 chairs and 5 tables. Means the total cost of 13 chairs and 5 tables is 8,280. Now the next information. The average cost of the table is 1227. Find the average cost of chair. Okay, so this is the question, and this was asked in 2022. How to find? How to find?
Yeah, is it 165?
165.
Ah, yes, yes. 165. Almost like the previous problem. You know? So they have given you, yes, it is 165. So they have given you the average cost of one chair. How many chairs are there?
13.
Nee. A table they have given you. Average cost of a table.
Table is 1227.
One table means the average cost of a table means that table means average cost of one table means the cost of one table is almost 1227 average in average. So total cost of chair table total cost of
135.
total cost how much 1227 into
5.
so it will give you
6135 भैया.
6135. So the total cost is 8280. Total is 8280, and you know out of them 6135 is contributing. Chair is contributing rupees
Okay.
6135. So if you subtract them, it will give you chairs
2145.
2145. So this is the cost of 13 chairs. So average is 21
Divided by 13.
divided by 13. So it will give you
165.
165. So this will be the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, भैया.
Okay. Now another problem. Generally from average they used to ask question. Now suppose the mean age of father and son is 27 years. This was also asked in 2018 or 19. After 18 years, father will be twice as old as his son. Find the present age of both. The question is the mean age or the average of age of father and son is 27 years. And after 18 years, father will be twice of his son. Father's age will be twice of his son. Find the percentage of both. Assume father's age equal to x, son equal to y. Okay. So Can I write x plus y equal to 54? That means they have given you that the average of these two, means average two persons are there, average will be x plus y by 2 is equal to 27. They have given you. So we can directly write now x plus y equal to 54. This is what they have given you in the question. Or directly we can assume that we can write that if the average of two person is 27 years, the total will be 54 years for both. X plus y equal to 54, you can find the value of x equal to 54 minus y. Okay, equation number 1. We'll use this value later on. Up to this much is clear?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Now after 18 years, this is present after 18 years. Now after 18 years, father says is x na, son is y presently. So after 18 years, what will be the son says?
Plus y plus 18.
Y plus 18. Okay, they have told you father's age is equal to 2 into son's age after 18 years. This is the condition they have given you. Okay, so father says is x equal to 54 minus y na. Here x equal to 54 minus y plus 18. 54 minus y plus 18. Both age will be doubled na. So 2 into son age. Son is 2 into y plus 18. So this will give you how much? 36 minus y equal to 2y plus 36. Or sorry, wrong equation. 1 minute. 72. 72 minus y. So from this equation you will get y equal to 36. Right? Y equal to 36, right?
Yes, yes, Bhaiya.
Then x, they find the value of x. From the first equation, you can find the value of x. So how much did you get? What is the answer?
Sir, it's 54.
54.
After 18 years, na sir, son's age will be 54.
Son says 54 and father?
Other age will be double from the son.
Right now present age.
The present age will be double, sir, double.
Now after 18 years?
It will be son's age will be 36. Yeah.
And father? Present age you have to find. You have to find x plus y equal to 54. This is the present.
72.
72.
It'll
X
be
plus.
double the age of the sun, right? We
No,
got
after 18 years, it will double. They have asked you to find out the present. See, suppose, see, after 18 years, after 18 years, father's age is equal to double of 2 of son's age. Father's age will be x plus 18, then son's will be after 18 years. 2 into son also, his age will also be increased by
18.
18 years. So x, already you know the value of x. X was 54 minus x 54 minus y plus 18, and then 2y plus 36. So here you can find the value of y. How much it will give you? It will give you 72
2 minus
minus
1.
y equal to 2y plus
2y plus
36.
36.
So it will give you
3y
ultimately y equal to 3y.
36.
Sorry, 3y equal to
3y is equal to
36. 36,
108.
no?
1,
36. Then
108.
y equal 108.
12.
No, 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 no.
Son's age is 12.
12 years, sir.
Father's age is
12
42.
years. Uh, 1 minute. 72 minus y equal to 2y plus 36. Now you have to write how much? Minus y minus
2y.
2y equal to 36 minus 72.
72.
So 3y equal to 36 minus 36. Y equal to minus minus it get cancelled. Okay. So
Y is 12 years.
y equal to 12 years. My first calculation was wrong then. Minus y minus 3y equal to 36 minus 36. Minus minus will get cancelled. Y equal to 12 years. So x plus y. This calculation, something mistake I have done. Okay. Ignore this calculation. Okay. See, now the presently their age is how much? X plus y 54. Presently their average is 27. Now this is they have given you this. Presently their
42
average
years.
age is 27. This is the present age. X plus y equal to 54. So x plus y
42 years, sir.
54. Therefore x equal to 54 minus 12 42 years. 40 years. So therefore presently present age. They have asked you to calculate the present age. Present is x equal to 42, father y is unequal to how much? 12.
Okay.
You can see, is just add them. How much is coming? 54.
54.
Okay. Now you can test after 18 years how much their age will be. After 18 years, father will be 42 plus 18,
60 years.
60,
60.
and father son will be 12 plus
30.
18,
30.
30.
So this is
Double.
correct. My previous calculation was wrong. Somewhere I made some mistake. So this is correct. Okay. So this is the present age. 42 years father and 12 years son. Clear? Only the calculation is up to this one you have to make. This is the main calculation. If you do any kind of mistake here, then your entire calculation will be changed. Father age after 18 years. This is important. After 18 years. Now father's age is x, son is y. After 18, it will be increased by 18. Similarly, son will also be increased by 18. Understood? But they have told you this is twice of this one. This equal to twice of this one. X plus 18 equal to 2 into son's age. Son is y plus 18. Its double will be father's age. So this is the calculation. This is the equation from here to calculate. Okay, so this was also asked. Another problem. Average of A, B, C is 50. Okay. D is 10. Find average of A, B, C, D. So this is a very simple question. It also asked. Average of A, B, C is 50. D is 10. Now find out the average of A, B, C, D.
It's 50 plus 10 over 4, sir.
15, bhaiya.
How much?
15.
15, yes. 50 plus 10 over divided by 4.
See, average of ABC is 50. Average of this 3 is 80, 50. A, B, C. Okay, and D is 10. What is the average of all 4?
60 by 4, which is 15, bhaiya.
4.
So it is 40.
40. Okay, yes. It is 40. See, average of A, B, C is 50. What is the total? Total? What is the total?
Total 50
50.
50? Only 50?
50 into
plus,
3. 150.
plus
50
10.
into 3. 150. D is 10. Now, what A plus B plus C plus D, how much? 150 plus 10?
10. 160.
160.
Then it's 40.
Now average of ABCD. How much? 160 is total. How many numbers are there?
4.
4.
40. Bhaiya, why are we multiplying 50 with 3?
I told you, na, if there are number of observation with you and averages with you. Okay. Suppose there are 11 players in the team, in the cricket team. In average, everyone has scored suppose 20 runs or 30 runs. What is the total score of the team? So you have number of observation, number of individuals, or number of items you have. You have the average of everyone who have contributed. Average. Okay. So if you have the average and the total number of items, if you multiply them, you will get the total sum or total score. Yes. If 11 players are there, and in average they are contributing 30 runs per head. Average means per head. Okay, almost per head or per subject or per item. This is a central value per
Because
item.
we did this because D is not an average and it is a number. It is the observation.
D they have given us separately.
So,
And
so that's why we are calculating the total by multiplying the average.
total score of first 3, and then D is coming extra. Na? Then you add
Yeah,
D.
and then adding D and then taking the average.
Then take the average.
Yeah.
This is like that. The
Got
10
it.
batsmen, the same thing. The first problem of solved. Na? The average of 60.
Understood, Bhaiya.
This one. Average of 40 students is 65. Out of them, 20 students average is 45. What is the rest average of the rest 20 students? Like this. This is also the same. Almost same. Okay. So today we'll end the class here. Tomorrow we'll continue average and then we'll start time and distance. Okay, so for today, we'll end the class here. Any doubt?
Yes, but I have a doubt. So in compound interest, we where 2 to the power of